Right guys, that's pretty much the HTML and the CSS done for the sake of this tutorial. What I've also done, I've tidied up the code a bit, put some headers in and some paragraph tags just to tidy things up a little bit more. I'll just do this slowly so you can pause the video, do the same. Okay, like I said, that's pretty much the boring bit done now, so let's break in some PHP. Now what I'd like to do, instead of having the full page of everything in one place, I like to split these up. Just makes it a lot tidier, and if you wanted to change something, say, let's pick on Computer First Aid down here. If you had 2 pages and you wanted to change that, you'd have to change over 2 pages. Tell you what, I'll show you what I mean. So if we save this as index.php and say, let's say services.php. Okay, now in index, if we were going to change this to, if we wanted to change this on every page to CFA, instead of Computer First Aid, would have to do on every page. If I upload these, okay. So you've got CFA that. Services. It's still Computer First Aid because we haven't changed it there. But I don't like changing things on every page. I like to change things just once. So a way to sort that out, if we go here and add new folder, call this core, and another folder again, includes. Okay. Let's get rid of these for the moment. Let's stick to working on our template PHP page. Alright, if we create now a new PHP page, get rid of all of that, and break into PHP tags. Okay. Now let's just grab the entire footer out of there. Control X and Control V. Actually, sorry, we don't need to break into PHP. Okay, and let's change this to CFA. Now let's save this as into our core, and our includes as footer.php. Now that's gone, as you can see, footer's gone now. So what we need to do is include that page that we just created. So include core includes footer.php. Okay, we'll try this on the template page first. So it should bring the footer back in. Let's upload all those. As you can see, I still like to work live instead of running a server from my local machine here. Okay, let's go back to template. As you can see, there it is. So now we need to do this. So copy this, go to index, and replace it with that, and services. Where's that gone? Let's just save that. Close and reopen Dreamweaver. Sometimes it likes to have a bit of a hissy fit. There it is. Open that. Again, we'll take the footer tag out and okay, now let's upload all of these. Okay, so we know it works on template. Let's try index. There it is. And services. And there it is. Okay, so now, like I said, if you wanted to change that back to computer first aid, you won't now have to do it on every page. You can just go into your footer.php and change it to computer first aid and save. Okay, this is services.php. There we go. And index and template. There we go. Okay, in the next tutorial, basically we'll be doing what we've done here. We'll be splitting everything down into their own pages, the aside, the section, the left aside, and the navigation. And probably the header as well. Yeah. Also, as promised, like I said, to get the CSS correct, the same as what I've got it here, the images that I created before, here's the link for them: computerfirstaid.co.uk, CFA_tut_website in the style folder, and then it's container background, or BG background 2. You can see there it is. And for the other one, just change that to a 1, and there it is there. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I shall see you in part 6.